Garman taught Sunday school. He taught Sunday school for, I think, 65 years. Whenever you sat in his class, you were going to learn things. You didn't sit there and have a discussion about small things. That probably molded my view of the Bible and my view of God as much as anything did.
Probably the finest Christian man I've ever met. Not probably, Garman Kimmell is the finest Christian man I've ever met.
I remember him as one of the most unusual, most brilliant young men I had ever met.
He was always looking to do what other people said couldn't be done, and he was pretty successful at it.